Get acquainted with the 2021 Genesis GV80. Enjoy a view of this Genesis GV80, the thoroughly modern midsize luxury SUV that offers exhilarating performance, a serenely comfortable interior, and a standard suite of driver assist safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Reimagine your daily drive. Get into the luxury SUV designed for today's world, the GV80. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.